but we are always bullish until the price action and the charts tell us otherwise. What's going on, everybody? We back with another video. I finally got my microphone. I was waiting for it in the mail and it finally came in. I know that the last few videos been a little chopped with the sound and all that, but let's get to this. That's most important. Besides the video quality, the editing and all that stuff, I'm not really concerned about that. I'm more concerned about giving you guys information that's important for you to become successful. So as long as I provide some type of value, that's what matters to me. I'm not in this to be a HBO kind of filmmaker, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could care less about that. So that being said, let's get right into it. I'm going to get into the SPY here. So really quickly, I'm going to zoom out and you can see that SPY pretty much was selling off today. And what's more important is that we held right here. We're going sideways, and now we want to see if we go below this 418 area. So 418 is our level right now, and then after that is 414, right? That's what we spoke about last time. But what I mostly want you to understand is that when SPY isn't doing what you want, there's other stocks that you should be paying attention to. So if you remember, we talked about bullish stocks, and in that list we had stocks like AI, right? So when you look at AI had an amazing day today, and you should have been on top of it. It should have been on your watch list, and you should have a setup so that you understand how to track all of these at the same time. Now, it might seem like tracking all of these stocks is rather difficult, but it's about being prepared and knowing how to set up your software so that you could immediately get more organized and know exactly what you're looking for. So on the bullish side, we had AI, right? And on the bearish side, we had Target. So Target was on my list for the bearish side, and AI was on my list for the bullish side. So you could have played both sides of the market. So what I want you to notice is that in this bearish list, I leaned more towards the bearish because SPY was pulling back, and we didn't see a lot of bullish action from what's been leading the markets, which have been the Nvidias and the AMDs. Today we saw a little bit of a pullback, which is actually rather healthy for the stock market because it's been going up pretty vigorously. So this pullback and this pause and this consolidation is rather necessary. So if you see stocks like Amazon, right, we had this little bit of a bearish reversal on the candlesticks on the daily, but in reality, when you look at this here, we're really consolidating and we're looking for a breakout out of this consolidation. So it's kind of important that you recognize the risk to reward and how much a stock has already moved. For example, everything in the tech has really been pushing pretty hard, right? So it's not that there's not opportunity there, but for me, I was waiting for a better setup because right now in tech, there's not better setups before today. Now we're looking at this Amazon, and this Amazon is giving us a better setup than trying to play and get another day like this previous day, right? Now we finally got some consolidation, and we have a bearish reversal on daily here, but we're still bullish on Amazon. We want to see if it's going to hold under this 119 area, and hopefully we can see some bullish action on this. And worst case scenario, we get another red day and we pull back to the moving averages, right? But we are always bullish until the price action and the charts tell us otherwise, right? So what I like about the pullback on SPY is that the daily actually did it on a bit lighter volume, right, than the last few days. So if you look at this here, you can see that we actually pulled back and the volume wasn't that great today, right? So it's important that you still have both sides of your list, the bullish list and the bearish list, right? This is the setup that you should have as a day trader, as a swing trader. You should have a list for the most risk to reward and probable stocks in the direction that you plan to trade, that also correlates with the direction of the market. Now, it's all about organization, planning, and execution. Okay, so you need to have all these things on your side. I have a book if you want to get started on how to organize what you're looking at. It's in the bio. If you need some coaching, I can help you with that too. I actually have free consultations. If you need help, I'll talk to you. Believe me, I want to help more than anything else. Yes, I have a course. Yes, I sell a book. But at the end of the day, I could just do this by myself. And I want to help more than anything else because I know what it's like to be a struggling trader. I've been there. I know what it's like to feel confused. I know what it's like to not know what you're looking for. I know what it's like to feel like you're always missing out on the biggest moves. So I went out there and I learned from a few people, and I gathered all of that information and put it into something to simplify it for the next person, because where I come from, not a lot of people do this, and I really, really, really want people to see the possibilities of you getting to another side of life, not having to slave at something you hate doing. You understand? So I understand those pains, and I want to be there for somebody who truly wants to take this seriously, and understanding that calling tops and calling bottoms and hoping is not trading. That's gambling. And I want to stay on the side of trying to be as professional as I can so that you and I can both prepare and go up against the smartest people in the world who are investing and have a chance to go up against these people. And if you don't prepare, if you don't study, if you don't try, if you really, really just want to do this for the money, which we all do, but just know that you have to focus on trading. The money's a byproduct, okay? So today on that target trade, it was like about a 90% return on my options. You know, the more you prepare, the more you're going to have stocks and plays that go your way. You understand? So it's important that you start preparing and you stop hating on other people who are doing better than you. You have to look in the mirror and say, the reason why they're doing better than me is because I'm not doing enough, right? So in order for you to do enough, you need to actually dedicate yourself and know what you're looking for. Stop being confused. Stop guessing. If the guessing is not, that's not part of this. You understand? It's not. We don't guess. We see what's going on and we take action. If something that's going on is not what we planned, we exit. You understand? Because it didn't go our way. So protect yourself, plan, prepare, and produce. That's it. All right, guys. So until next time.